and instead the static pressure has decreased a lot. So here you have the results from before. And this is the blade without the sandpaper, with a fine sandpaper and with a really coarse sandpaper. Here we're now entering the second wake, and if we check the cameras here, so then here we set 90% span, and we start the measure again. So now you can see the traversing system. Now it has moved to 90% span, and now it will move in the pitchwise direction. So the idea of the remote labs is that we can run experimental exercises or do experimental research, basically sitting everywhere in the world and controlling facilities, real facilities, which are based in some other university. And here is the case in KTH, where, for example, we have this linear cascade test facility, where we can measure losses and 3D effects. And for example, here I'm running some measurements, and I can start, for example, a new measurement. And here you have also real-time cameras. So here you can see the traversing system, which is moving, and again here on the graph as well. And then we take real-time measurements. And you have a set of cameras in which you can select among different views. So the student has a real idea of what's going on there. And for example, here in KTH, we have several of these remote labs because we have a lot of distant students from everywhere in the world. For example, from Sri Lanka, or Ethiopia, or US, Australia. But we can also take a closer look at the real facility upstairs.